Hey everybody, welcome back to my device reviews. This is part 3 on this device. This is the ASUS or ASUS, depending on how you pronounce it. Transformer Mini 2-in-1 laptop, tablet, keyboard. It's the one with the detachable keyboard. You turn it into like a tablet. Anyway, a background on this. Shortly after getting this, it would not turn on, and I figured out that I could get it to turn on by holding the power button and keeping it held for up to 20-30 seconds, and it would finally power on. Now when I'd take my finger off the power button, it just shut off. It was like there was something wrong with the power button or something. But the rubber band did let me keep it powered on. I tried doing a factory reset on it with the rubber band on, and the factory reset didn't cure the problem. So anyway, I did send it in for repair, got it back, and I'll turn it on here. It does work now. Supposedly on the sheet that they sent me back with the device, they say the problem was damaged or burned out version error chip defect. What that means, I'm guessing they had to replace something. It says new part number, description, and it's got a part number and LCD cover, something ADHE, whatever that means. So I'm guessing there's something in it that didn't get replaced. Maybe it was the button itself that was burnt out, a chip that had something to do with the button. I don't know. But anyway, here's the letter that they sent me back with the device. So anyway, set the keyboard to the side. It does work now. It does turn on using the power button. It does stay on now after they sent it back to me. I did notice there is a scratch on the back here. It's between my two fingers. I don't know if you can see a scratch right here, but the back was scratched, dirty. It's like a adhesive glue or something on here. It's probably from them sticking the screen back down and sealing it, but it's all the way around. It's all over the glass. Not for sure if I can. If you can see the glue, but the glue is, around on the glass here. See this glue right here? I'm gonna have to take alcohol or screen cleaner and try to get that off. It's on the corners. See it here on the glass. They didn't do a very clean job of putting it back together. Like I said, they left a lot of sealant, around the edge. See here around the SD card port here, all the little black. That's actual adhesive that I'm assuming that's what helps hold the glass and the screen in. But they did fix the original problem, but they sent it back, scratched and kind of dirty with a sealant. They should have wiped that off before sending it back. But anyway, I've got the ASUS Transformer Mini back now, and this is part 3 video. I'm going to put part 2 and part 1 down in the description, so if you want to go back and look at the original 2 videos on this, The first one is just a review on it. The second one is with the original problem, why I had to send it in. But thanks for watching my device reviews.